How to distribute a large amount of concrete over the surface. There is a specialized technique that produces concrete pouring. In this way, a large area can be concreted. In production, automated machines are used. This machine forms a part of the desired shape from metal blanks. Process automation improves productivity. In order to make metal parts and blanks, metal is needed. In metallurgical industries, parts are formed from molten metal. To do this, the metal is melted in blast furnaces. Disposal of used rubber is a very important process for the conservation of nature and the environment. But before disposal and recycling, rubber tires need to be shredded. Many metal products are polished after they are made. Grinding protects a person's hands from wounds. If the master uses such a tool in his work, then grinding plays an important role. Many metal products are polished after they are made. Grinding protects a person's hands from wounds. If the master uses such a tool in his work, then grinding plays an important role. If a hole needs to be made in a large part, then a large drill is used. The drill is made of hardened steel, so this drill is very durable. Girls in the modern world are very hardy. They, like men, do hard work, and they can also enslave both boards and bricks with their fists. Now you see the process of catching fish with a large fishing trawler. This is a CNC lathe. The lathe works automatically. For the manufacture of the part, a program is laid. This increases production productivity. This is the process of repairing and painting a car. This work is done by the command. This is a CNC lathe. The lathe works automatically. For the manufacture of the part, a program is laid. This increases production productivity. Builders are people with knowledge and skill. This builder grouts tiles very quickly. To do this, he came up with super fast technology. This builder is plastering the walls. For this, a specialized technique is used, with the help of which the solution is applied immediately to a large area. This is the process of producing springs for making a bed mattress. To do this, metal rods are bent in the form of a spring. This is an automatic process for the production of parts in a factory. Automated machines produce parts very quickly. Human force is not used in production. This allows you to reduce the cost of production. This is a manufacturing process for the manufacture of electrical components. Any technique without this part will not be able to work. I do not understand what this girl collects. Maybe you know what it is? Write about it in the comments. Manufacturing processes sometimes require a large drill. This is the process of making such a large drill. The drill is made of hardened metal. With such rivets, a large polyethylene coating is attached to the floor. This coating is used to cover the floor instead of linoleum. The coating has a high density. This is the process of welding and making a metal grating. The grate is used in agriculture and animal husbandry. Also, such a lattice can be used in construction. This is a snowblower. The large brush on the front of the tractor makes it possible to clear the road from snow. This is the process of producing plastic products. This process is automated and occurs automatically. Woodworkers are highly qualified. Woodworking machines must be handled with care and be highly skilled. Now you see production processes in different industries. These are the processes of manufacturing parts for equipment and products for mass consumption.